It actually has this quarter panel rolled in right here.
By the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work. Everything I get, I murk. You can tell by the way I walk, I ain't just talking about it. I stay putting in that work.
I have a Honda Civic here. This one got popped in this right rear corner, damaged the rear body panel, taillight pocket. It actually has this quarter panel rolled in right here, probably about 1/4 of an inch. You can kind of see that here whenever I hold this taillight up, roughly. I'm going to repair all of this. I'm going to grab this to start with and pull this out, and then I will start working all the metal back into shape, get this to roll back out. It looks nasty, but I actually believe it's going to walk out pretty nice. I have good access on the inside to work it as well. So I got this one all fit together. My taillight lines up nice and even. Bumper cover fits good. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to lift the taillight and the bumper back off, and I'll finish up this area back inside of there, make it look pretty, and get this one on over to our paint shop.